Hi, it's your friend Dorothy, and I am here with you on Lesson 8, Case Study Hangul. Today we will be learning two interesting things, and one is a double consonant, and one would be the final consonants. There are more, but we will only be learning 4 today. So double consonants and final consonants. Remember last time we learned 10 vowels, 14 consonants, and also the 11 combined vowels. Today we will be learning 5 double consonants. They are not that hard, so do not be worried. These are the consonants we learned, and the ones in red we will be learning today. Literally, they're just double consonants. So double of this, 기억, 디귿, 피읍, 시옷, and 지옷. So it literally means just write them twice, double them, and they have a 10th sound. So double consonant means, remember 기억, 디귿, 피읍, 시옷, and 지읒. It just means to write them twice, literally double. And it has the 10th sound, which means, remember 기억 has the g sound? This would be 10th, so it would be g. Let it out a bit. So g. Can you tell the difference? And let's try reading 쌍기역, okay? 쌍 means double in Korean. So if you say 쌍기역, it will mean double 기역, which is this, okay? So it will be 까, 꺄, 꺼, 껴, 꼬, 교, 꾸, 뀨, 끄, 끼. Okay, very good. Next one is d, and what would this be if it's tensed? It would be d. So d and d. This is 쌍디귿, okay? So it would be 따, 뗀, 떠, 떼, 또, 뀨, 뚜, 뀨, 뜨, and 띠. Very good. Next one, 비읍. And this would be double 비읍, so 쌍비읍. B and B. Very good. Okay, let's try reading. 빠, 뗀, 뻐, 뼈, 뽀, 뾰, 뿌, 뀨, 뿌, 삐. Excellent. Let's try 시옷. 시옷 and 쌍시옷. Try tensing the 시옷. It becomes s and s. A bit stronger. S. Okay, let's try reading. 싸, 샤, 써, 셔, 소, 쇼, 수, 슈, 스, 시. Very good. Okay, last one. This is 지읒, z. This is 쌍지읒, which would become z and j. Okay, let's try reading. 짜, 짜, 쪄, 쪄, 쪼, 쪼, 쭈, 쭈, 쯔, 찌. Very good. Now you are able to read double consonants. Yay! Now we learned double consonants, and it's time to learn the final consonants. Remember I said 안녕하세요. It means hello in Korean. And a syllable has initial, middle, and final letter. Each of these is one syllable. I bet you are able to read this, 하, 세, 요. And you might be a bit confused with this, 안녕. You might go, what is that thing on the bottom? Okay, that is called a final consonant. Some Koreans are created with an initial, middle, and a final letter. Initial letter is always a consonant, middle, vowel, and if there is a final letter, it's always a consonant. See, niun and iung on the bottom. This is a final consonant, and we will be learning about this. And remember, each syllable in Korean has the same reading speed. So if I say 안녕하세요, see, I am pronouncing each syllable with the same speed. 안녕하세요. All the consonants can be used as a final consonant, which in Korean, final consonant is called 받침. And every consonant can be used as a 받침 except for 3 of them. These are the consonants that can be used as 받침, and try finding the consonants that are not in here. Did you find it? I'll give you a hint. They are double consonants. I know we learned 5, and I think you can only find 2 here. So 쌍기역 over here, 쌍시옷 over here, and the ones missing are 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, and 쌍치귿. These cannot be used as a final consonant. Except for these 3, everything else can be used as a final consonant. Today, we will only be learning these 4, and the rest we will be learning in our next lesson. These have the same sound as when they are pronounced as a initial consonant. So ni은, n, 미음, m, 리을, l. And remember, I said iung is a silent sound when it's used as an initial consonant, but it has the sound when it is used as a final consonant. And remember, when you pronounce these all final consonants, you do not release the sound to the air. You actually keep the air to yourself. Okay. Remember this ni은, n, 미음, m, 리을, l, and iung, ung, only when it's a final consonant. Okay. Let's try reading syllables with final consonants. This may be a bit confusing at first, but once you get the hang of it, it will really, really be easy. Okay, let's look at the first syllable first. Okay, you see there's a, and on the bottom you might see the final letter, ni은. In Korean, when you write a final letter, it always goes on the bottom. So, a on the bottom, ni은. Okay, let's try reading it. A, and then ni은. So it becomes an. Always do not release the air, which means keep the air in your mouth. So if you release the air, it will become an. But instead, keep the air in your mouth. An. Do not release the air when you read Hangul. So this becomes an. Okay, let's try the next syllable. You see there's ko. And there's niun as a final letter, final consonant. So it becomes kon. Very good. Okay, let's try reading the rest. 돈. This would be nun. This might be a bit confusing, but it would be when. Very good. Last one. Yun. Very good. Let's try mium. Okay, this one first. See, you see ko, And on the bottom, you can see the mium, which has the m sound. So, come. Same. Do not release the air. Keep it to yourself. Come. Very good. Let's try this one. Okay, here we go. Who. Together. Whom. Very good. Okay, I bet you can do the rest. Yum. 잠. 놈. And Very good. Now you can also read mium. Okay, let's try li을. Let's try with the first one, as we always do. Okay, you can see 마. And right over here, you can see the li을 on the bottom. 말. Remember, do not release the air. 말. Very good. Next one. 카. And 르. 칼. Very good. Okay, you can do the rest. 홀. 팔. 벨. 실. Remember, I said iung is not silent when it comes as a final consonant. It has the sound when it comes as a 받침. Okay, let's try reading the first one. You see 며, and it has iung on the bottom. So it would be pronounced as 명. Same. Keep the sound, keep the air to yourself. Do not release the air. Okay, let's try the second syllable. So it will be, you can see the 시 and the iung on the bottom. So 싱. Very good. You're getting there. Okay, let's try reading the rest. 동. 랑. 왕. 쿵. Excellent. Okay, now it's time to read. Okay, we will be reading words with double consonants and final consonants. They are actual words with meanings, but again, do not worry about the meaning. We'll only be reading the words today. Okay, our first word is, okay, do you get it? These are words with final consonants. You can see 서 and ni은 on the bottom. So 선. And you see 무 and 리을 on the bottom. So 물. 선물. Very good. Next word. 잉어. Very good. 전화. 마음. Okay, see the double consonant? It's pronounced a bit tense. 쓰레기. Very good. 여행. Okay, 열쇠. 아 and go tense. 빠. 아빠. Okay. 찌개. 찌개. Okay. 선생님. 선생님. Very good. Now you can read. Now we will try writing syllables with double consonants and final consonants. So let's start with double consonants first. The first syllable we are going to write is 빠. 빠. Okay, remember the 쌍비읍? When you write the double consonants, it's the same, but you kind of narrow it down a bit so they can fit. So, 쌍비읍, 아, 빠, 빠. Okay, next one is 쪼, 쪼. So, we'll be writing 쌍지읒 and 오, 쪼, 쪼, 쪼. Next one is 뜨, 뜨. So, 쌍디귿 and 뜨, 뜨, 뜨. Last one with a double consonant is 꾸, 꾸, 꾸. So, it will be 쌍기역, 끄, and 꾸, 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 꾸. Okay. Now we are going to try writing syllables with final consonants. The first one we're going to try writing is 안. 안. Okay, so you write 아 first. 아 and н. 안. 니은 goes on the bottom. 안. 안. Very good. Okay, next one is 녕. 녕. So you write 니은 first. 여, 녀, and 이응 on the bottom. 녕. The next syllable we are going to try writing is 불. 불. So you'll be writing 부 first. And 우. And 리을 on the bottom. 불. 불. Very good. And the last one is 품. 품. Okay, so 푸. 피읍. 우. And 미음. 품. Very good. Now you can write. I hope you had fun learning double consonants and the final consonants. On our next lesson, we'll be learning more about final consonants. So do not go away. Stay with me and thank you. Bye.